So y'all, I went a little bananas this time and I can't wait to share it. Hey y'all, I am back with another Michael's unboxing video, and I just wanted to put out a full disclaimer here. It is the end of January, like the very end of January, almost February, pretty much. Valentine's Day is only a few weeks away, and I am just now getting these boxes from my Michaels. I don't know what other Michaels do, but my Michaels literally waits a full month after Christmas to put out their holiday boxes. So I just thought I would let everybody know it was the end of January. Regardless when this gets posted, not sure. End of January, these boxes were purchased. So let's dive in and see what I scored this time. So here is the stash. Even the dog is intrigued by them. I just wanted to say I will be unboxing these a few at a time just because there are so many, but I originally only bought the 6 regular size ones that are right here in the middle. And as I was checking out, this man saw me who worked there, who I'd never seen before, and he said, you know, ma'am, we have huge ones in the back that are twice the size, and he swore one of them had $500 worth. So I ran and grabbed a few of those, and they had so many of them. I mean, so many. They are all taped, as you can see. I was able to peek in between the tape, and some of them were just full of like cookie tins and such. So I grabbed one that was full of wrapping paper, and then some that were full of foliage. But I'm gonna unbox these 2 at a time. Just wanted to show you the huge stash I got. So let's jump in. Okay, y'all, so let's just jump in. This box is pretty huge. I don't think I could fit it all the way into the camera. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the best I can and show you what is in this box. This looks like all their faux foliage and such. So let's see what we have. Right off the bat, we have these beautiful silver Christmas Noel. It just says these silver branches. They look all glittery, and they retail for $10. I don't know if you can see this. $10 each. And let's see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these. That's $80 right here. Right off the bat, I paid $4 for this box. Okay, there's some really pretty neutral colors in here. Let's pull out the next. Oh, this one fell apart. Okay, so this is a hydrangea, and it's in a really pretty champagne color. Love it, neutral palette. This retails for $7. And let's see, it looks like there's one. Here's another one, 2. And 3. Let me just make sure. Yeah, $7 each. Looks like oh, nope. Just kidding. 4. 4 of those. So another $28. These are beautiful. Moving right along. This looks like a mum of some sort. Again, sort of a golden color. Neutral, like a champagne color. Also $7. And there is 1, 2, 3 in here. Really, really pretty. I love the neutral palettes. Here we go. This is very holiday-ish. This is a poinsettia plant, but it is a silver color. And this retails for, let's take a look, $8 each. And I have 1, 2, it looks like 3, and 4 in here. Okay, moving right along. Let's grab this. This is really beautiful. This is looks like a pine tree. It looks like it's flocked, and it retails for $10. These are great additions to add to garland, to make a wreath. I don't need to tell you this. This one is $7 broken, but I'm guessing it popped off and it's in here, so I'll put this aside. Oh, look, here's another one of those champagne poinsettias for $8. Here is, oh, these are pretty. Silver. I don't even know what kind of flower this is, but there are 2 in here, and these retail for $10 each. This one looks like it wasn't even, you know, like that was still wrapped up. So I will tell you, a man gave me a heads up that these were in the back of the store, these bigger boxes, and the cashier told me that sometimes Michael's doesn't ship their items in time to the stores to put out. So she said some of the stuff in the grab boxes never even made it onto the floor. They just went straight into the grab boxes. So I think that's a little bit of a waste of money for Michael's, but good for shoppers if you're looking for a deal. Okay, here's some garland, $14. Pretty white with some blue sparkly glittery spheres. Let's just look at these. This is a white stem. These retail for $8 each. Let me grab them all. Ooh. Let's see. Let me just count the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it looks like 8 of these at $8 a piece. Ooh, this one is so pretty. This is a red hydrangea. It looks like it's flecked. It has some snow on it. Really pretty. It's hard to see these price tags, but it's $8. Here is a white poinsettia that retails for $6. Here is, oh, beautiful. This is a poinsettia bunch, and this retails for $16. These are really hard to see. 16 bucks. Let's see. A single poinsettia for $6. Another single poinsettia, I guess, also $6, yes. And let's see, another one. I bet you these are all single. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh my goodness, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It looks like there are 12 of these poinsettia plants that retail for $6. I don't need to repeat myself. These great wreaths, great gifts. This one fell apart again. That happens. Let's put this back on. This is a gold poinsettia retailing for $7. And so I have the stem here, so I'm guessing one of these. These are really pretty. These are like red glittery roses. These are really pretty. It looks like this one says $9, $7. I don't know, but this was a really good box. There were a lot of items in here, a lot. They packed it in. So let's add it up and see how this one fared. So this first box had 50 items with a retail value of $382. Using a 20% off coupon, you'd still be paying $305, and I paid $4. I cannot believe Michael stuffs this. It's like they're giving it away, really. Let's see what's in the next one. Okay, moving right along. Let's see what's in this box. This is a little bit of a lighter box. This regular size box. Here we've got some cute cookie tins right off the bat. Let It Snow. These retail for, looks like, $5. Here's another one. Very cute. Also $5. Perfect for gifts and such. Looks like we have some, oh, it says Valentine's Day. Oops. I don't think they meant to put this in here because it's literally not even Valentine's Day yet. It's coming up, but this is really cute. It has little hearts, and they sent 2 of them. I got 2 of them. Each of them retail for $4. Let's see. Some cute treat bags baked with love retail for $5. You bake for teachers, neighbors. 1, 2, 3. Looks like 4 of them. That is great. Take it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So it looks like this box is literally filled with these. These are ornament hooks, retail for $2. Some of them retail for $3 if they're green. I prefer the green ones actually for my tree. But oh my goodness, it looks like they have a ton in here. Let me count those in a second. Let's just pull out the rest of the stuff. Ooh, this is like velvet, or yeah, this is fabric. This is really soft and pretty. $15 this retails for. It's a nice thick ribbon. Really, really soft. I love it that it's not glittery. It's not making a mess, and it's beautiful. Love it. Let's see what this is. Oh, a cute little Santa craft, a sun catcher, $1.49. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it looks like the rest of this box is just these. Let's count them. Okay, there were 36 of those in here. 36. I do not need more than one, so I will definitely be donating these and giving them away. So yeah, if my neighbors are watching and you need them, stop by. I have plenty. Okay, so let's add up this box and see how this one did. So this box had 46 items, the majority of them being those ornament hooks, with a retail value of $162.50. With a coupon, it would be $130. This is still a great deal considering I only paid $4. So to recap, these two boxes had almost 100 items in them, 96 total, with a retail value of $544.50. That is a 98.5% savings. I literally paid like 1.5% because I paid $8 for those two boxes. Thank you so much, Michaels, for doing this. And thank you so much for watching. Please continue to like and subscribe because I have plenty more to unbox that I will be putting up soon. Take care, y'all, and have a great week. Bye.